So this is a great way to display your teaching posters that you use every day. So of course this year we've added not just a theme for every day or a main point for every day, but we also have a particular color that reminds us of all of those points that goes along with the day. And so what we did is took some roll tablecloth, excuse me, and made for the day one, we're talking about creation, and the color of the day is green. And so we put some green tablecloth there, and then we're able to mount the posters for that day right on there. On day two, we're actually heading to two of the seven C's. We're doing corruption, which is our dark color, and catastrophe, which is blue. And so we doubled up those layers. We double up twice during the week. When we get to confusion, talking about the Tower of Babel, the color of that day is going to be gray. Then on the fourth day, we talk about Christ coming, and we talk about the cross. So we have the white for Christ and the red for the cross. And on our final day, we're talking about consummation, when we get to reign forever with Jesus, and Jesus is going to create a new heaven and a new earth. He's going to wipe away every tear from their eye. So we chose the color gold for that day and used a gold tablecloth as a great way to display those teaching posters.